Imagine discovering a secret family recipe, not tucked into an old cookbook or passed around at gatherings, but lovingly engraved onto a gravestone for generations to cherish. That's right. Some families care so deeply about their culinary heritage that they memorialize their favorite dishes in stone. This fascinating practice is the heart of Rosie Grant's new cookbook, To Die For, a cookbook of gravestone recipes, which has taken social media by storm with unforgettable stories and photos on TikTok and Instagram. But here's where it gets controversial. What does it mean to immortalize a recipe alongside a person's name? Is food just a comfort, or does it cross into being a legacy? Rosie Grant's work shines a spotlight on these remarkable gravestones, each adorned with cherished recipes that speak to the lives and memories of those departed. Her book is much more than a collection of instructions for making cookies or casseroles. It's a celebration of personal history and community tradition. Through Grant's eyes, we see how these gravestones become a bridge between generations, a way for families and complete strangers to remember, honor, and even taste the spirit of their ancestors. And this is the part most people miss. While some may view a gravestone as simply a marker for loss, these unique memorials are actually invitations to connect with the past in a deliciously tangible way. The idea might seem unusual, and it certainly raises some eyebrows. Would you want your signature dish immortalized next to your name for all to see, and maybe even try? Or do you think gravestones should be reserved for solemn remembrance, not celebrations of food and life? Grant's book invites readers to reflect on their own traditions and ask, what legacy do you want to leave behind, and would it taste good? Let's hear your thoughts. Do you think gravestone recipes deepen family bonds, or do they cross a line? Could this trend become more common, or will it remain a quirky slice of history? Jump into the comments and share your take, whether you're hungry for more or feel these recipes belong in the kitchen, not the cemetery.